fine. Oxford's fine.
Why?
Oxford's finest explorer. Trying it on. Oxford's finest explorer. I'm about to go in here. We have found this on Google Maps. So we don't know what's in there, but we're going to see in a minute, yeah? We don't know what's in there. We found this on Google Maps. It's definitely abandoned. So there's a crocodile outside. See you in a minute. Oh, I've got this artwork in the corner. Oh, go upstairs, wait till you see this. Oh wow, look at this. All the artwork. Wow. Wow guys, look at this. Oh, this artwork is impressive. Wait till you see this. Wait until you see this. I'm gonna light it up for you. I'll show you all the art around here. Look at this. This is what we found on Google Maps. Wow. Look at it all. It is weird art. Look at this, Claire. Look at this man in the chair. Claire. What is that? Look at that, guys. So guys, I'm just getting some pictures. What the hell is this place? Look at all this down here. Oh wow, look at that fox up there. Look at that, man. Look at all the antlers. Okay, look at this stuff over here. Come in the corner. Shh, shh. Look at this. Look at this picture. They're naked.
Look, Adam and Eve, it's all like mocking stuff. All quite.
What is tools?
I reckon that artist is fucking amazing, to be honest with you.
Some madness. What is this stuff? Look. Look at it all, guys. This is weird.
Just weird art. It's just art, I believe. You're not, it's true.
There's some weird stuff in here. Jake, there's fucking ones with no faces on and that.
Yeah, I know.
Look, bones in here.
Bones, look, guys.
Horns and animal bones. Nah, you would say that.
Claire's going mad.
Shush.
No, it's creepy. No boy. People, aren't they? Animal bones. I don't know, I don't buy this place. It's some perverse place, I don't care. This is weird stuff. Nah, it's all horns everywhere and that.
His little desk, look where he sits. Little artist desk.
Look, tough, isn't it, lot?
Yeah, this is odd.
Very odd, I don't like it.
And this is one of the oddest places I've ever witnessed. Look at these paintings, guys. I don't even know what to say about some of them. He is into some freaky shit.
This place is mad.
Definitely, you agree with me, yeah?
I like this place. It's fucking.
This is different.
Yeah.
This is different.
This is the most different explorer I've ever seen.
Yeah, but it's good though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I quite like it.
I actually don't.
See back.
I don't like the place.
See back, see back.
Where's all the bins? I thought there was more bins in that.
I want a picture of this table. Yes.
Some weird sort
This is where this will get you views, Claire.
Yes.
This will. Ain't it, right, Jay? Look at this stuff, guys.
Chin.
What?
Does she look like the.
Oh, I don't know. She's nuts, mate. No worry. Look. Look at that. All the antlers around, man. Look at that, man. Swinging. Look at that swinging, Claire.
Yes, I don't.
What? That one's weird with a no face on it. That means something demonic, usually.
They're all are demonic, the horns a lot. beginning of demonic. They're all evil.
Look at that old army hat, Jay.
No, no.
That man. Look at that, guys. That is old school. That's from World War. And all the bones in there. What? Yeah, it's fucking insane, isn't it? I've never seen nothing like it. Look at this table.
I wouldn't want to call out in here.
Something demonic.
Huh?
Something demonic in here.
Yeah, I'm not calling out in here. Because about attachments, about people, and being attached
All that,
to
man.
them, and
Got them jaws.
stuff of like,
Look,
why is
Jay.
there a goat? Like, oh my god, there's some weird writing here. Oh my god.
The fish. Look at that fish he's placed in the mouth.
Me?
Jamie.
That's normal.
Um,
Just look.
I know, Claire, this is nuts.
I ain't kidding.
I've never seen nothing like this in my life.
I don't care what anyone says, right? I'm not putting myself at risk.
At risk of what? What you going on with?
Getting attacked by some group.
And that painting in there.
I'm not doing it.
Guys, I hope you admit that this is the most craziest place I've ever explored on the channel.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. I've never,
Come out with the pictures. Look.
ever seen anything like this. Elephant tusks. Just look at that. The elephant tusk, guys. Hey, this photo's weird. Look at this, Claire. Claire? Oh, Jamie. Jamie and Claire, look at this then. This references something fucked up. Look at this one then. There's a naked woman and someone looking in the doorway watching her.
Yeah.
That is fucking weird stuff, mate.
I don't like it in there.
I'm weirded out as well, badly.
I could do a radio, but would you want me to? I don't really want to hear anything bad, do you?
Yeah.
Not even nice.
Guys, I've been walking around this one. I don't even know where to start, what to show you. This is messed up.
Just horrible. Oh,
I had to kamikaze across the roof to let these two in as well. Look at this balcony. Look at this, guys.
like this keeps dying again. This won't run my camera. Like the camera's playing up, it's turning off.
Look at that picture.
I'll be back, guys, anyway, with Paranormal.
And this artist is creative.
No, he's
Bro. Oh, what's in here?
Yeah, he is fucked up with some of the drawings.
No, he's messed up, not fucked up.
But look at that demon there. Look at that demon face. Why would you want to draw a demon face?
Because it's beautiful.
Why would you want to draw that? That's because that's what they look like.
Wait,
Evil.
look at that one I just put on there.
That is weird, man. Look at this stuff.
I don't want to call out in here.
That's all demonic.
That's why I don't want to call out in
Might not be wise, but...
here. You know better. You're demonic by talking about tits and fanny.
No, I wasn't.
Not you, him.
That's about the most normal one I've seen yet. Of a couple of rabbits.
Wait, help me open this up, see what's in it.
Yeah, go on.
Looking at a dead body or something like that.
He's in there, the man. Just open it, man.
Come on then, I'm fucking trying.
Boys are from Bristol, guys.
You try it then.
Couldn't even climb up the fucking thing to get us in.
Shut up. Why should I climb up it when you would and make my life easier? Pussy up.
Look at that one. Look at that with the high heels on.
That's you, mate.
Claire, Claire, Claire. Look at this painting.
You right. I'm going to do a quick call out because you said do it, but I didn't want to. My thing is dying. Right, so So can I get it? 'Cause this has got to switch off. It's already turned off, I think.
It's a weird place.
This is the weirdest place I've ever experienced.
Do you want to pull up with me then, love?
Yeah, come on then, start.
I can't. Right.
Let's set it up and let's just
Guys,
get going.
I'm just going to do a quick call out. I don't like it in here.
Some paranormal guy in the bone
I
collecting.
don't like it in here.
In the bone collecting.
I do. I like it.
I do, but I don't. I can't describe it. It's not a house.
Way cool.
It's not a house. I don't know what it is.
It's obviously someone's gallery, isn't it?
Why is that doing that?
Right.
Oh my
Guys,
god.
I'm pulling out. Right, so guys, let's go.
Demons of this bone collector's
No,
house.
don't feel no demons in there.
Did you hear that?
I did.
Yeah.
What does that say?
I don't know. But just start, babe.
No. No, guys. People, I want to know who's here. Who influences these
What demonic
artists?
force is in this property? Did you hear that? Come on.
It sounds like
What demonic entity is in this property with us? Did you hear that? Steve
Say your
said
name.
something. What's been going on in here? What's been going on in this place?
Who's influencing these artists to do these quite twisted stuff?
Give us a sign, please. An orb just went straight past me.
Kiss me or something.
An orb just went straight past my phone. There. Yeah.
Reveal who's here.
I don't know what it is, mate. But this picture is freaking me.
Listen then, we're not. We are.
Oh my god.
I don't see that.
No,
The fucking goat on the wall.
I've seen it.
That's demonic. It's a demon, mate.
Yeah, I know, because they do that, don't they? Like,
Yeah.
Focusing. Why is it through stuff?
What is this guy into, man? He's into
Satan.
he's into demonic worshipping,
Yeah, definitely.
I think. He's sat. Look what he's done here. He's put a fish in that mouth.
Look at the demon. Why would you draw a demon?
No, look at that there. That's a demon.
Demon, yeah.
what gets me is what even made Bowman come to this place.
Why? Yeah. Why would he find this? Why would he appeal to him?
It looks like it's in someone's garden.
Yeah.
Pull out on me, listen. Come on, reveal yourself.
Give me your name.
Who are you? You Lucifer.
What demon lurks within these walls?
There's loads of you. I know it's not just one of you.
Hey, you can't remember jump. Oh. You might maybe jump.
Come on. Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, the song. What?
Somebody stop laughing in the videos. Right, we're leaving now. We're not staying any long because this is a weird place.
No, it's all right.
I don't like it.
Come on, give us something, please. Give me a sign.
Why did you draw,
Yeah, look.
draw all this weird
Look.
stuff? You're pure evil.
So them legs keep swinging, man.
Come on, let's go.
I'm going.
This is weird, isn't it?
What's his face? Can't see it shaking.
See the fox?
I think someone's upstairs.
What? Shut up. What do you mean? Just can say someone's outside.
I'm ending it. I'm done.
Where's the mic then?
Get my bag.
It's raining.
It is ringing.
Get my bag. I really don't like coming out, guys. Right? I've done what I can for you. I'm not staying here.
Guys, this is insane. Yeah.
It's dark.
Even I'm getting creeped out in here.
Why?
Oh, I don't know.
I want to pull that.
Wait.
Right, so guys, I think I'm going to make my way. Guys, I'm going to make my way out of here. I do not like it. I hope you
Oh
won't
my
see me.
God.
It's very short, but I am not staying in a place like this. I really love that. This sort of stuff. And all my I'm careful and I've been moving it. So that's all I've been doing that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be back with more videos soon. Anyway, remember like and subscribe and hit the like button, please, and leave a comment.
Claire, do you know that of all the paintings in this place, that's freaking me out the most?
I need to.
Look at it, Claire. That's a demon with women's high heel shoes on.
I need to get a picture of
That-
this.
that one does it.
Jamie, can you come down here so I can get a picture?
I know, I want a better picture of this room as well, but Jamie don't light it up properly.
Jamie,
He's an idiot.
You've both got torches yourself.
Mine's fucked, mate. It doesn't go.
Get a new one then. What's the matter?
Light this room up for me, Jay. Light this and shit. Look at this, guys. This is absolute madness.
look at this, guys.
I've never, ever come across anything like this in all the years I've been exploring. Jamie.
She's saying the same thing as you.
It's full of
It is
bugs.
true, though.
And look,
What about this way? I want a picture from this way as well. Jay, this is a cool picture from here. Claire? Look at this, is messed up. Oh my God.
I know it's got a lovely painting.
Claire, look at this picture. Quick. Babe?
I've seen it all.
No. You haven't seen nothing yet until you see this. Come here.
Let me just.
But when you want to paint that one now?
This. Look. That is fucking twisted. No, Claire.
Wait, I can't look at it.
I'll get bone.
I'm getting a bone now.
Right, I want a picture. When Claire can she moves down there, I want a picture from this. Guys, you know this is scary when we don't want to carry on the paranormal. This is absolutely nuts in here.
I ain't done it long enough. But
This is nuts in here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's probably my favourite one of the day. I think.
You reckon? Yeah.
Definitely.
Oh, it is weird.
Just let me get a shot with this.
just don't want to do any more.
Claire, I want to show you this photo. I'll tell you, I'll put everything in here. I want to show my viewers. This one's creeping me out bad. I don't know why something about this one was just creeping me out, Claire. Claire,
What one?
this one here. Look, come here. Oh, there's just something about it.
Oh, don't.
There's just something about, and that one. Claire,
This one's disgusting.
look at this one.
Mate, it's not.
This one.
It's this one here now.
Oh my God, I didn't even notice that.
That's what I'm saying.
There's a
it's
goat
demonic.
with her. Oh, guys,
It's demonic.
what have we found tonight?
Ooh, you fried. I smelt your ass.
Guys, I don't know what we found in here. This is what the worrying part is. Huh? Oh my God, look at these on the stairs. Claire. Oh my God. What are these?
Guys, he's getting freaked out, ain't you,
Look at all them antlers on the wall. Now, as we come down the stairs, guys, we're going to leave this room. Just want to show you one last little shot of this room. Look at this. Before we look at that, guys. How can you even... That's a good photo for me and standing on the stairs, by the way. Jamie?
You get me.
I just don't like too much of the flooring.
Come on.
I should.
So we're going to make our way down
What
along
does
with
that look like?
Rolf Harris.
Done it. It is, isn't it? Sure this isn't his place?
No.
Fucking, he was twisted.
I mean, look at these ones.
You don't bloody know.
Who's that? Let's say. What's his name on there? See if anyone knows that name.
Joseph something. Who's this man they keep calling the same man? It's like a
And
weird-
even down here, guys, look.
weird stuff.
Look at these. Look, oh, Claire. Look on the stairs. Goats.
I know, it's not right.
Look at this bit, guys.
The apple, like Adam and Eve, there's like mocking stuff as well.
Oh my God. Claire, look there. Look at that. You know what that is, don't you? Look at the fucking thing with the 4 legs.
What do they call that again?
That's bad. What? That is a bad thing. Oh my God.
I don't know, it's some weird it says.
Take a picture of it.
What is that one? Oh my God, look at this. Oh, look.
They're kissing.
Yeah, look.
It's all tits in that, isn't it?
Yeah, and look at this one. Look at that one. Naked lady with a cat on her. Look. Look, Claire. Look.
No, I don't want to look. It's all getting a bit sick in here for me, if you ask.
We're leaving now anyways.
Huh?
We're leaving. I'm getting out of here.
Right in here. All the bones down there and everything. It's... Look, all the skulls, all the...
Yeah.
Oh, in there, look.
Where?
In there.
No, see them, FC. I ain't seen that. Excuse then.
Goat's heads now.
Excuse, babe.
Excuse, let me get
Please.
past. Oh, my God.
Hey, you don't want to do anything. Look at that. Little bones in there, jaws. Look.
Nothing nice.
Bones in the fucking box, guys. Look at that. What is that? Anyone knows anything? I'll go on that. I'm going to meet you home.
Sorry, guys, I'm on this
I'm going on that.
Alright, so
Oh,
dark stuff now.
what's that hole in there? Fish books. Look. Shut up before you say anything, and he's going to say something. Look. More fish books.
Right, oh, I'm getting
You like fishing, no? Claire? Look.
out now.
Fishes of the world.
There's something not right about this place.
Biology of fishes.
that's just someone's garden shed.
So guys, remember, like,
There you go, guys.
like that
I'll see you all outside.
Sorry if I... Demons.
I don't know what that is in there. That's not good. Jay, this is that. This is the shot we want. Light. If she moves, look at that, guys. That is where we just were. I'll just get there, guys. Oxford's finest explorer. We are outside of the hellhole, the demon house. The I don't know what you want to call that, but look at it.
Get a picture, Jamie. I can't.
Some people are calling it the bone collector's house, the demon house. I don't know what that is. The house of crazy art. I don't know, guys. Oxford's finest explorer. I'll see you all on the next one.